Algonquin is located in the Amalgamated Highland region of Ontario, with hills filled with maple trees, rocky ridges, and thousands of lakes covering 7,600 square kilometers. The only way to explore its interior is by canoe or foot. We all have our own reasons why we enjoy these trips, but I can think of a few for myself. One, it reminds me of how hard it was for people to go about and live not so long ago. It is very humbling in today's modern age and reminds me how to dig deep and keep pushing on. I also feel more connected with nature, and fully disconnecting from the hustle and bustle of the city is necessary for my physical, mental, and spiritual health. I hope you enjoy the video and what Algonquin can offer you.
It's a video, so you're good.
Yeah, take the picture.
Salute.
How's everyone doing? Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Lombo. We're out here having a good time, you know?
Yeah, watch out.
I don't look fast enough more.
Talking to the camera.
Car's pretty full, eh, boys?
A little bit full.
Look at where I just
There's so many.
Sneaky trunk beers. Crawler trunk is packed.
Crawl in.
Boys are ready. This is it's gonna be one person's seat. We're all set to go. We're hyped.
There ain't no lies when you're drinking flies, boy.
We rented an Airbnb before embarking into the woods, about an hour drive away from the access point at Round Lake. It's a nice property with 4 beds, a decent sized living area and kitchen. The cottage sits on a huge property and there are a few kilometers of hiking trails behind it to explore if we stayed longer. Overall, this was a great idea to start the trip and make the drive shorter on the first day into the woods. Day 1 began early with a hefty bacon, egg, and hash brown breakfast with the aim to get to the access point by 9 a.m. It took about an hour drive to get there from the cottage, at which point we were rearing to go and get after it for the rest of the week.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Log on our right.
We're at the first portage spot. This? North T Lake, second portage, day 1.
Feeling fresh. Dialed in and sound it.
We're in the middle of T Lake. Middle-ish.
It's weird, huh?
Yeah, big Italian stallions. That's more than 1 horsepower each.
That's like you got like a twin turbo Ferrari.
It's a Ferrari engine, yeah. Of course. 2 horses.
What do we have here? We have a Honda Civic with VTEC.
You got the VTEC kicking in, eh? Fuck, that's so cool.
Walking away.
Oh yeah, she's hungry.
We're getting them for the babies too.
Yeah.
I want to see what's sending up. Something.
Not that big. Yeah, she's pretty small.
He's skinny.
But you gotta eat lunch.
I mean, how many leaves can you eat in a day?
That's all the dude eats. Hard. Raw. Big smile for the camera.
Oh, I see the
Not hard to see. I guess the screen's so tiny on this one.
male. Very young.
I'll show you a young male. On to bigger lake. The boys still launching. The Italian stallions off, ready to roll. Campsite day 1.
Put them like more in the middle.
Dinner day 1.
No, like yeah, like down
There's no
in there
coastal
is
underneath there.
very nice.
Oh yeah, I see it.
So I was trying to rip it all out. And Draco was like, I pulled Draco.
I'm in a good shot. Oh.
A bit more.
Yo, show us the catch of the day.
This is the smallest fish I think I've ever caught. That's cool. First cast, first fish. Yeah. That's legit.
Mikey relaxing on the rock.
Yeah.
Enrico fishing. Cole fishing. Lombardo.
In heat.
Day 1 complete.
And we made it.
Lombardo didn't sleep at all.
On to day 2.
Fun day. It's a good day to have a day.
started day 2. Campsite's behind us. See you later, pal. Second lake, day 2. Day 2, lake 3. Right?
I think so. Little monkey.
I like.
End of the 4th portage on 3 Mile Lake. How's everyone feeling?
Not bad.
We're nice. Sweaty. Definitely sweaty. But that's okay. Day 2 on 3 Mile.
Lunchtime.
I sure am hungry.
Sure am hungry.
See you later, 3 Mile Lake, or maybe we'll see you tomorrow.
We out here on North Sylvia Lake. I'm not wearing a life jacket.
Can't really see the turtle. Oh, you went in the water, dog. Yeah, these size. Start of Maple Lake, day 2, last lake. Almost at the home for the evening. Dimwits are behind us. That's all it takes. What? Campsite day 2. Maple Lake, starting the fire and food. Clothesline. Lombo and Enrico's tent. Greco and Cole's tent. Yours is Truly's tent. Oh, that's kind of cool.
This night I was messing around with my GoPro Hero 8's pictures, mainly long exposure shots. The first night's sky was shot with a 20-second exposure, making the moon look like the sun, but the stars are very noticeable. The second was with a 30-second exposure, and you can see all the stars I was able to see, and even the Big Dipper is visible in the bottom, but it is skewed with the wide lens. The last photo was shot with a 20-second exposure.
Day 3.
Beginning of day 3, all packed up. Pretty cloudy, shitty out today, but no, we'll make the best of it. But we're floating, we're flying. Yo! We're on the River of Doom on the second portage.
River of Doom?
Sure. Nice. Yeah.
Like lost in Lombardo?
No, I got them.
Oh, okay, good.
Yo, man. It's really nice. Second last portage of this creek.
And we sure are tired.
I can't even see through my glasses. Beaver Dam, Maple Creek. The boys hard at it. I'm just filming. Yo, what's up, little friend? I don't even know where he is.
He's right there. He's literally below
Here?
Oh, you just touched him.
Yeah, I felt him. Yeah.
Mikey vs. Wild. Just finished a massive creek portage. Now we head towards Manatee Lake. More on it later.
All right, you know, we're just out here. Now on, what lake is it?
Kiosk.
Kiosk Lake here.
Form. Couldn't tell you the long form.
I literally couldn't tell you the long form. But you know, it's been a tough day out here. You know, going through creeks, a lot of beaver dams. But you know, we're getting after it. It's all right.
It's not alright. It's like that song. It's not alright.
Day 3, Kiosk Lake.
You have to do that.
It's gonna be nice to sit down, have a little drinky poo, you know?
Yeah.
Don't you just like the taste of it?
Yeah.
That's what I like about liquor.
The taste?
Yeah.
Those same ducks, like the redhead yellow body ducks.
Hell yeah.
It's coming up to the last portage. Day 3. Fun.
So cute.
Last portage of the day.
No, it's a couple more.
We're almost done.
No, we got like
It
8
says
more
Manitou.
portages.
We're done. Last one.
8th portage of the day.
Last portage of day 3.
Down.
The longest one of the day, 1.3K.
That's basically how I.
Bear height.
Hey, hey, hey. Portage.
We're getting wrecked out here.
Look at that. All we do is row now.
Whoa. Manitou Lake. Last one of day 3. Just trying to find a nice site, day 2 day zone. Shoulders are burning.
Caveman.
We're doing a fun.
Oh, we're
Was it like a 10-hour day?
We started at 10 a.m. this morning, and we pulled in at 7.
10 to 7? 10 to 7:30 probably.
We only went 14 kilometers though, 15 kilometers.
It was long for 15 kilometers. Lots of portage, lots of creeks, as you all saw.
It felt like 20 kilometers.
Yeah, it felt like 25, 30 kilometers.
Me and Lombo are dying. It hurts to live right now.
I died at least twice on that trip.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Started day 4. Slept in nice. Had some good breakfast. We're just taking it easy today, chilling on Manitou. And those clouds look picture perfect.
Get cold in the sunlight there.
Look at that goofball right there.
No.
How deep is it?
Deep, man.
Whoa. Cole's spearfishing today.
Weapons of mass destruction.
So over here we got 2 guys stretching out, Lombo's yoga class.
Oh yeah, stretch that out.
About 20 minutes of work for 5 men.
It's a lot of large men at work here.
Get enough firewood for the day, pretty much. Yeah. Oh, there's Mr. Sun. We're waiting for Mr. Sun.
Mr. Sun.
Oh, Mr. Sun! Yeah! Woo! Let's shoot it! Woo!
Hello here. Watch me.
We got lunch cooking today. Bacon. Enrico's Deli.
Lots of meat. Lots of meat.
Lots of meat today.
So, we're out here day 3. Gonna start
Day 4.
Day 4, eh? I lost count. Too much sweat. Sweat and tears gone into this trip.
You flopped on day 3.
Now we can just go to bed. Big time. Relax. Have a couple drinks. You know, go with the grain of the liquor. See where it goes. That's it. Cheers.
Yo, little butterfly man.
Liquor is one of those things that, you know, you make that connection. You know, you just have that, like, a taste. You know, it just really revitalizes you after what you've seen prior in this this film. You know, us sweating, us crying, us getting really sore, looking. Don't even make a campfire. We're so tired, but now we prevail. Now we drink. All right, everyone. Welcome back to Lombo's bartender tips and tricks on the bush. So we need 3 ingredients here. We need some squirt bottle, electrolytes included, a little bit of water. It could be this, it could be a Nalgene, it could be just a massive jug. You know, whatever you want. You know, you can do whatever you're interested in. And you need some sort of liquor. 40% encouraged, higher, even better. You know. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna relax on the liquor here for a second. All right, we're gonna get our squirt bottle. 1, 2, 3. So the important thing is, hold on kids, this is the important tip here. We're gonna go for 3s. 3s are very important, you know? So, you know, we're gonna open these up, get ready, and we're gonna pour 3 shots of water and 3 shots of rum. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 shots of rum. All right, that looks at about 3. Something like that. It's pretty good. We're gonna get the water and we're just gonna finish it off, you know?
And there you go. And then top it off, you get a little stir guy, and you stir them up. And that's a good drink. Strong though, very strong.
End of day 5, going home. Tent's packed, bags packed. All the boys are packed.
What water do we need filtered?
I'm fine.
That was quick. Did you wipe? You were pretty quick, so there's no way you wipe.
Yeah. What's up? Either way around.
Saying goodbye to Manitou Lake. Back on North T Lake last day. North T Lake.
452 bottles of beer on the wall. 452 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 451 bottles of beer on the wall. So it was like, for a while they were trying to get rid of it.
True. Yep. Ducky. What's up, Mr. Duck? Oh, he's gone. Well, this is the end of the trip. Me and Cole had a nice flip on this lake.
It's the weekend.